Hey leaders, it's Mrs. Jeffries, and I'm here to help reveal what next year's theme will be. Last week you were given two options and the opportunity to vote. We either went with build or drive. All the votes are in, so it's time to find out. What did Siegrist choose?
Everything is awesome.
Build! Hooray!
Everything is awesome. Living our dream. Everything.
Next year's theme will be building excellence. We can't wait for our next year to start and for all the fun things to start happening. So make sure you grab all of your tools. Don't forget your tool belt and your toolbox. And you'll probably need a hard hat too, because we're going to construct awesomeness as we build excellence. See you next year.